Greetings, financial gurus. Welcome back to Currency Wizard, your hub for all things money related. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: 10 ways to make money during a recession. In times of economic challenge, opportunities arise for those who are resourceful and adaptable. Let's explore these strategies together. Kicking off our list is digital product creation. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or have a unique skill set, creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or software, platforms like Gumroad or Teachable can help you showcase and sell your digital creations to a global audience, providing a steady stream of passive income. Next on the list is online resale business. Scour thrift stores, garage sales, or even your own closet for items that can be resold online. Platforms like Poshmark, eBay, or Depop are great places to start your online resale venture. Consider specializing in niche markets or unique items to stand out in a competitive online resale space. Moving on to number 3, consider remote administrative support. Many businesses, especially small ones, may need assistance with administrative tasks. Offer virtual assistance services such as data entry, scheduling, or customer support to businesses looking to streamline their operations. Platforms like Upwork or virtual assistant Facebook groups can connect you with potential clients. Now, let's explore virtual fitness classes. If you're a fitness enthusiast, consider hosting virtual fitness classes. From yoga to high-intensity workouts, the online space allows you to connect with clients globally and build a community around your fitness expertise. Platforms like Zoom or specialized fitness apps can help you reach and engage with your audience. Number 5 on our list is social media management. Businesses are continually seeking to enhance their online presence. If you have a knack for social media, offer your services as a social media manager. Help businesses grow their online following and engagement by creating and curating content, managing posting schedules, and analyzing social media metrics. Next up, graphic design services. If you have a creative flair, offer graphic design services online, creating eye-catching visuals for businesses, social media influencers, or anyone in need of professional graphics for their online presence. Utilize platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even create your own portfolio website to showcase your work. Moving along to number 7, let's talk about dropshipping. Instead of traditional e-commerce, consider dropshipping. Sell your products online without holding any inventory. When a sale is made, purchase the product from a third party who ships it directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify or Oberlo can assist you in setting up your dropshipping business. Number 8 is remote language tutoring. If you're fluent in more than one language, offer online language tutoring services. Many individuals are looking to learn new languages, and online tutoring provides a convenient solution. Utilize platforms like italki or Verbally to connect with language learners from around the world. Now, let's explore affiliate blogging. Create a niche blog and monetize it through affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your blog's theme, earning a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. Choose affiliate programs relevant to your audience and integrate them seamlessly into your blog content. Last but not least, consider virtual event planning. Without physical events limited, businesses and individuals are turning to virtual events. If you have organizational skills and a knack for creativity, offer virtual event planning services to clients looking to host memorable online events. Use your creativity to design engaging virtual experiences and collaborate with clients to bring their events to life. And there you have it, 10 forward-thinking ways to make money during a recession. Remember, resilience and adaptability are key during challenging times. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching.